So this is how it all started. One night, an extraterrestrial UFO flew overhead, dumping toxic chemicals over a house and into its garden. The result was the following.
The garden started to change, evolve, grow from below, fall from above, soon to take over. But that wasn't the worst part. They started going into homes, affecting the others, grabbing weapons, and doing unspeakable things. Soon to enslave all humanity. So the next question is, who will rule them all? And the ones to come. Get one of your very own Terror Tater, Murderous Mushroom, Pestilent Pear, the Evil Apple, Pissy Pickle, Bipolar Pumpkin, Banshee Banana, Kipper Caterpillar, Chastised Cherries, and many more to come.